Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we have completed up to pages section. Let me continue the tutorial. Now I'm going to make the thing is a banner part. So I'm going to go to component. So I'm going to create the banner .jsx. So banner, I want to do the banner .css .jsx css. So we need two files. So banner. So we need one image. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the images folder. Go to the assets folder. Inside the assets folder, I'm going to create images. Inside the images folder, I'm going to right click, reveal in file of Explorer, images. Here you have to put this image, cut off and paste it. This banner, I want to call it here category.js. Here we have to call it here top JS. Here we have to call it, copy this, paste it over here. So we have to call it over here banner. So you have to call it image src images assets. Now I'm going to set the path of the image. So images I have created inside the asset folder, not an asset folder. We have to create this image. Just cut this one. Instead of the asset folder, we have the main directory, the public folder. I'm going to paste it here. So public, select the public folder. You have to paste this images inside the public. So it will be publicly taken. Okay, so here we have tried it. Inside the images, here we have tried banner.php. Now this banner.this one, I'm going to copy this. I have to paste it inside the app.jx. Here I already pasted, so here you have to paste it the banner. Here. You have to paste it here. You have to create the component. You are just I have going to create again. So you have to understand here. After the category section, okay. After the category section, this section here it will be coming. You have to put it. You have to put in this banner. Type banner. It will be not direct the path well. Then and also save. Going back to the beginning, it will be successfully set the things well. Okay, it's perfect. You will be able to see this is your banner. It's a banner section. Okay, it's successfully done. So after that, what you're going to do is we have done the features images. So features images, how to do the features images? We have done the banner part. So we have the features images of the e-commerce site. This is the features images over here. The features images section, what you are going to do is here we have a home page. This home page, I'm going to give this one as a features images, which is a features images. Okay, so here the features images here. We just put it this one as a features images like this. So let's check it. This is the home page. You just select features images. Yeah, it is coming like this. Okay, now what you're going to do is, now here what I'm going to do is here we have to do class name. You write feature container. Feature container. So you have to write feature title. So you have to write this, copy this feature title. The feature title. Another one is a feature items. the feature title. Another one is a feature item. Okay, we have two things. We have right here feature title and feature items. This one should be feature items. So this one we have not put into here. This is not an efficient way. I'm going to this one. I'm going to put in this one. This all things. Just copy this. I'm going to make the. Now here what I'm going to do is I just copy this, and here I have tried it's a feature items. So where I go to the component, you have type feature items. Feature items. .jsx. Okay, so now again I'm going to this one. So all thing I just copy this and create another component. .css. We need CSS also we need. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is here this page is the home page. This one I'm just copy it. Instead of pasting the home, this is not an efficient way. You have to put into a separate component. Okay, so here we have tried this one as home. So just copy it, paste on it over here. This one you have named it as feature items. Okay, done. Right. Now this one you have to call it there. You have to call it here. In my backend, I have developed the API, the features products. Okay, this is a backend. It's a Laravel backend. I have here you can see the features products. So this features product for this here one. So all things are features product. So this product we have to get it to here via my React application. Okay, so how to get it? So where my this one, yes, the things my you have to get it over here. So how to implement this one is I have to go to my head section, features item. Here I want to create the one method. So I want to create the API. So here you have to create the API and you have to put it over here to get the data. So how to get the data? You have to write it over here. You have to create the method, which is a you have to get it the data. So you have to let's do the features items. Okay, you have to get the features item. So first you have to write the use effect. Use effects. Arrow function. Open and close it. Okay, so we have the brackets. Because this is how we have to create the use effect. So here we write it over here. Get features item. You have to write get features item. Get features item. You have to get the method which is a get features item and load it. So function you have to write is a get features item, which is a get features item. Right, this method, what you are going to do it here is we have a method with get features item. So here I want to get a constant array. You write items comma set item use state. This one items. That's the thing you have to write. Okay, that's the thing you have to write it. That's the thing we have to write it. Use state set, that's the time we have to write it. So here we have to call this set items. We have to write the another one is a features item. This features items. We have to call it inside the here. Control S to save. So here first you have to get another terminal. Terminal window. After that, this method, in order to access the RESTful API, you have to install the npm ixocs. You have to install this dependency. After install the dependency, you have to write this, create the variable, const variable result xocs dot get. You have to implement the API. So this API you have get it over here. This API. This data will be coming to the this API. So here you have to write this one. You have to put this not simple function, the assign function. You have to put the keyword in front of the XOCS. This one should be the avoid. Okay, so you get the result. So the result you have to get it as this one should be the products. Results dot products. Now let's check all. Why not coming when the page is loaded? Okay, the problem is here. This page I haven't put it here. This we haven't called this features. This one to here. Our home page. The home page have a div tag. We have to call it here. This one as features. But it's not importing the features. You have to tell them the path. You can select this path as well. Then only it imports. Sometimes it's not coming auto completely. Okay, now you go to the features items. You import this one, the use effect inside the React. This use state and use effect. Use state and use effects. Order you have to import XOS from success. Okay, this one should be, you have to use it over here. Okay, now let's file save all. In our next video we will see the result. Thank you for watching.